Hello, it's Maya from Maya Creative, and I wanted to wish everyone a very happy new year and remind you that you can get my brain on your brand for free. So, if you're anything like me, perhaps you're still on holidays or just getting back into things, I'm actually cleaning out my office and getting ready and doing some strategic planning for 2019. But what you can do is take our branding quiz, and that will take you to a page where you can book in a time with me to do a brand discovery call where I'll give you some tips and ideas on how to make your brand more profitable in 2019. Now, I started taking these calls at the start of the year. So, yesterday I had an awesome call with a really amazing business owner who has only been in business for just under a year, and he's already strategically thinking about how to improve his brand in 2019. So the call went on for about half an hour to 45 minutes, where we discussed his business and we workshopped some ideas on how to improve his brand in the new year. So, if you're anything like me, if you're planning ahead for 2019, now is the perfect time to do the quiz. I'm going to pop the link above. So, take the quiz and book in a time with me. I've got a couple of slots available next week, and I'd love to help you with your brand. So, have an awesome day wherever you are. It's very hot in Melbourne. I'm chilling out in front of the fan. So, have an awesome day and Happy New Year. Bye.